Guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, if you're facing a problem, like if you are unable to change your wallpaper of your computer or laptop, so this video is for you. This video will 100% fix your unable to change your wallpaper. For example, as you can see the wallpaper for me, and if I want to set this as a wallpaper or background, so it's not changing. As you can see, the wallpaper is still there. So what is happening is, guys, just for first option is like if you have installed a wallpaper engine, okay, which is the software for a wallpaper. You all know, I think, if you have a PC, it's a very popular. So what you have to do is first option is what you have to do is the wallpaper which has been applied already. You have to delete that one. You have to unsubscribe that one. Okay, just right click on your mouse and just unsubscribe it. Okay, unsubscribe it and click on OK. Okay, the wallpaper will gone. Okay, now what you have to do is to just click once again, open a wallpaper engine. Just wait, it will take time. Alright, now if I select any wallpaper, it will start changing. As you can see, if I select this one, it is changing. Okay, let me minimize this one and let me show you it's working. So let me select this wallpaper. Okay, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So as you can see, the wallpaper is changing now. So what you have to do is, so guys, the wallpaper, it's already applied, which is already applied. You have to delete that wallpaper to change the wallpaper. Okay, you got the point what I'm trying to say. Okay, if you are using a wallpaper engine, then obviously open that wallpaper engine, then unsubscribe that wallpaper. Or if you're not using the wallpaper engine, then just what you have to do is to delete that wallpaper which has already been applied. Then you can change the wallpaper. Okay, so I hope you got the point. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching. Guys, if this video was helpful, please give a like and